Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase XRP or Ripple on Coinbase and then store it safely in your Ledger Nano S. So let's get started. Alright, so this is XRP, number 3 cryptocurrency by market cap. It was recently added to Coinbase. There was a lot of hubbub about it being added back in 2017 and early 2018, but it never really materialized until now. So here it is, gang. You can buy it directly on Coinbase, and then I'll show you how to store it in a Ledger Nano S. So the first thing we'll want to do is go over to Coinbase. All right, we'll get ourselves signed into our Coinbase account. I'm using 1Password password manager, store all my passwords, and two-factor authentication. I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on all of your cryptocurrency accounts or any of your accounts that support it. And I also highly recommend a password manager to manage your passwords. If you're storing your passwords in your browser, it's not the best security. That password file that the browser uses to store all your passwords is vulnerable if your machine ever gets compromised. So try to stick to the best security that you can when dealing with cryptocurrency. All right, so we're going to go over here to buy, sell, and the first thing we'll do is choose XRP. So we're going to have to click this little pull down here. We can't see XRP right away, so we'll need to scroll down a little bit. It's at the very bottom here. So we're going to choose XRP as the cryptocurrency that we want to purchase. Now you can connect a bank account to your Coinbase account or a debit card. The bank account connection has a much higher limit if you're one of those big whale kind of people, but the debit card option is much faster when you want to make a quick purchase. And you can get about a $5,000 limit. You may not have that when you first open the account, but after a while and the more purchases you make, they'll raise your limit. So 5,000 is plenty for me. I'm not planning on buying anything close to that today. So let's just go in here. I'm going to put in 55. That's going to get me about $50 worth of XRP. As you can see over here, I have a merchant charge of $2.99. That's the hit you take for the convenience and ease of use of Coinbase. All right. So I'm going to hit buy XRP instantly. And then I'm just going to go over here and confirm buy. And because I use that debit card option, I should see the cryptocurrency in my wallet right away. And as you can see, I just got an alert here, and I can go over to accounts and scroll down here to XRP and see that I do indeed have that XRP in my wallet. It is spendable at this point. It's fully transferred into my wallet. All right. Now, the thing is, once I buy it on Coinbase, I don't really own it. They're just sort of holding it for me as a convenience. But in order to hold cryptocurrency, you need to put it in your own wallet where you control the private keys. And there are many ways to do this, but what I consider one of the best ways is a hardware wallet. And one of the best hardware wallets out there is the Ledger Nano S. So we're going to be storing this XRP on this Ledger Nano S. So let me show you how to do that. So the first thing we'll want to do is go over here to Ledger Live. If you don't have Ledger Live installed, I'll put a link for it in the description down below. Pretty straightforward to install Ledger Live. I also have some good videos on how you install Ledger Live and get everything set up on your Ledger Nano S. All right, and now that I've logged into my Ledger Live, you can see it's got an update available, so I'll go ahead and do that. Always a good idea to make sure that all of your software is up to date with all the latest patches and security updates. All right, I'm going to go ahead and run Ledger Live again, and I will need to re-enter my password. All right, and they're going to tell me a couple of things about the update. The Ledger Nano X is just around the corner. I've got mine pre-ordered, and as soon as I receive it, I will do a video on how you set up the Ledger Nano X. So we're all pretty excited about that. All right, and now that we've got ourselves into our Ledger Live, the first thing we're going to want to do is add that XRP app. We need the XRP app on the Ledger Nano S in order to support the XRP wallet. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to Manager, and the manager is going to advise me to connect my hardware. So just follow the instructions, pretty straightforward. Connect and unlock your Ledger device. So I'm going to take my Ledger, going to connect it to my computer with my cable to a USB port, and then I will enter the PIN. You'll notice that it's asking me to confirm that I would like to enter the Ledger Nano Manager app. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the button right above the check. All right, and once I'm in the Ledger Manager, what I'm going to need to do is install the XRP app. All right, so in order to install the XRP app, I'm just going to click this install button next to the XRP icon. Alrighty, and you can see that it's installing the XRP app. And then once you've got it installed, you'll just need to navigate over to it and click both buttons to enter the XRP app. Okay, now that we've got the app installed and we have entered the app on our device, we can go over here to Accounts. We'll just hit this little plus. All right, and then we'll pull this menu down and go all the way down to the bottom here where it says XRP, right? And we're going to click XRP, and then we're just going to continue, right? So, of course, make sure that you have entered the XRP app on the device. As you can see, I have a little check there, so it knows I'm in the XRP app. All right, and then it's going to synchronize. Now, I already had a wallet on here at one point, and it had some XRP in it. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and use that wallet. You will most likely see this XRP1 with a 0 balance, okay? Now, I don't want it to really be XRP1, so I'm just going to change the name of it to call it XRP, and I'll hit Add Account. All right, and then once you do that, you could go and add more if you wanted to, but now I've got an XRP wallet, and you'll see that there's already a little bit of XRP in mine. Yours should say 0. All right. Now, we're going to move the XRP that we bought on Coinbase into this wallet. But I have to tell you ahead of time that XRP is a little strange the way the wallet works. In order for an XRP wallet to function properly, it needs to have 20 XRP in there. Now, the Coinbase wallet doesn't really have that limitation. So you can buy as much XRP as you want and put it in there and take it out. But in the case of the Ledger Live, when you move some XRP into your Ledger Live, you're going to be creating and funding the wallet at the same time. And you will always have to leave that 20 in there. That's just the way XRP works. Go figure. So it's going to cost you $5 or $10 to maintain this wallet. And but you can withdraw everything except the 20, right? So if you put 100 in there, you'll only be able to take 80 out. All right, so we can go back over here to Coinbase. We've still got it open, and we can see that there's our XRP wallet. All right, so what we want to do is send some XRP, and all we need to do is give them an XRP address. All right, so let's go over to our Ledger Live, and to our XRP wallet, we're going to hit Receive. All right, and I'm still in the XRP app, and I'm just going to click Continue. All right, I've got my wallet ready to go. I'm just going to hit Verify now, and it's going to scroll an address across the screen, right? And they want us to confirm that the address showing on the device is the same address we see on the screen. That is an added security feature, all right? So I'm just going to confirm that by hitting the little button right above the check, all right? And once I do that, you'll see that I can copy that XRP address into my clipboard now. Now that that's copied into my clipboard, I can move back over to Coinbase, Just paste that address in there, right? I don't need the tag in this case. See, I'm sending it to my own wallet, and my own wallet doesn't require a tag. All right, now how much do I want to send? I can just click in the box down here and the send max button will appear. I'm going to go ahead and send the max over, right? And I'm going to click continue. And you can see I'm pretty much getting all of it. It wants me to confirm that I don't need a tag. Now, if you were sending it to a cryptocurrency exchange, they would provide you an address and a tag. But as you can see on the Ledger Nano S, there is no tag required. There's no tag displayed when you click receive. So it's not necessary for the Ledger Nano S. So don't worry, gang. And we'll see as things go. If I lose my Ripple, you'll know what happened. All right. So I'm going to skip that XRP tag. It's going to lay out, all the charges. Enter my two-factor authentication. Click confirm. And boom, the Ripple is on the way. So we can get rid of the browser and just check out our Ledger Live interface and wait for that XRP to arrive. And there it goes. Okay, so it just came into our wallet. As you can see, my balance went up. And then you can also see here the transaction register tells me when it came in, the date and how much. Okay, and you'll see that I got 165. Ledger Live tells me it's worth a little less, but I wouldn't be too concerned about that. We got the total amount that we sent. Each cryptocurrency exchange or interface has its own way of getting the current price. But we got the 165.5 Ripple. So that's really the main thing that I need to, that I was concerned about. Now, I have had questions where people will ask me, if I move my cryptocurrency to my own wallet, what if the price goes up? Will the value of, will I lose out? Not really. I mean, it's just the same as if you buy gold and put it under your bed. If the price of gold goes up, the gold under your bed is also going to go up in value. So all you have to do is take it back to the coin dealer to sell it at the higher price. The same with cryptocurrency. Store it in your own wallet. If the price goes up, the value of the cryptocurrency you're holding will also go up. And then you can transfer it back to an exchange if you have a mind to sell it. Or maybe you could spend it right out of your wallet if you can find a place that accepts the cryptocurrency you're holding. So you don't always need to cash your crypto out. You might be able to spend it at some point. So just keep that in mind. So I hope you found this video helpful. If there are any questions, please post them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. Don't forget, I have a live stream every Friday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A in LA. Throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to get them answered on the fly. Or just join in for the conversation and have a good time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.